Hello, I'm gonna read Dragon Ball Multiverse with dumb noises. I don't know who this guy is. So, uh, now there's just a title. First ever page. Page 0. Meanwhile, in space. Boom! Shit colored. Ugh. On! It's incredible. Why were you? Big Bang. Look out! Look at the behind is too wicked. Ugh. Nani? Boo! Boo! Hey! Yeah, fuck up. And this is new P. You may wonder. Let's go back in day. Let's go. Parallel universe 50984879236674. Deploying scanners. Detected all at the same place. The Earth again. Shut up. They are different from the previous ones. Who keep them? This is the Kami's place. Get the show away. Other than the mechanics, where you go? How does the ship be able to land you? Only few are authorized. They are authorized. Namex are always welcome to come in this place. Bzzz. This ship isn't like any of ours. Yes, be careful. Zip. Hello, my niggas. My Namekians. Hello. Who are you? We Namekians from another universe came to we came to your world with the help of the Vargas technology. This isn't just one universe, but many of them, each of them follows one path, but all with the same situations and same choices. They're all very alike. Just a few unexpected events to make the universe slightly differ from another. For example, in one universe, the sky of planet could be red. In it, it could be conquered by aliens and other species would live on it. Another example, in one of the universes, in one only, the Vargases discovered out-of-lock technology that allows us to travel from one universe to another. God decided that the universe should stay closed, but the permitted one unique event across the universes. The Vargases made friends with the Namekians in order to create a gigantic tournament between the fighters of all universes. The winner will get 3 wishes from the Dragon Balls of Namek. Dragon Balls of other universe Namekians will be used to resurrect victims from fights. In addition to the prize, warriors usually look for a new challenge. This is a unique chance with no. Our question is, whenever or not you want to enter, tell us. I'm sus. I think kind of sus, but I'll get Goku and his friends here. You're the most powerful warriors on Earth. You can send them a message. So less than an hour later, this is Super Chains. Yeah, Dragon Ball Super Chance. Ooh, we'll be able to test the trials without any risk. There are too many restrictions here. Don't trust that multiverse story at all. It's kind of bullshit. But there's no way you're gonna go into a tunnel without me. You get some questions from me. We have a question. Can we fight as a team? No, one versus one. If you lose if you can't stay in the fight for 30 seconds. Or if you give up. Or if you give up. Or if you give up. Weapons are allowed. You must enter the ring alone, and no exterior element can help you. Okay, we're cool with that. We can just reserve good things. He's among us, but he's a bit sus at times. But whatever, he's powerful. Okay. Yes, the viewers are greatly welcome, and we accept anybody. One father even watches his own son who isn't even born yet. That's irrelevant as fuck character that ain't gonna do shit. We don't care if you play this go things just before the fight. Then I will come as a viewer. Me too. You're the 18 group who entered. This will be your universe name. People who want to take part or watch enter our shadow please. No, do it. There. Zip. Please be careful. See ya. No worries. Nothing can happen. Almost can't fix. There's no room for anything bad happening anyway. V. Everyone's here. Let's take off. Me and the boys vibing. Shoulders back. Open the airlock. Yeah. Wow, so Chongus. So, will this trip take long? Not at all. Will we wrap into the universe where the tournament is in a moment? It's with own life at all. No risk to damage a life. Yo, who say piano? That's our national. That's our anthem here. Respect it. Oh, this way you're gonna fight here and stay and sleep if you want me people we don't know and I kind of stopped giving a shit about reading text bias fully, so I'm just gonna summarize them. Whoa, epic! So huge. This is the 18th universe 18 Balkan. So we surely begin. There should be companions on this. Duracell? You again, niggas? Chapter 2. Lots of old folks here. He ain't gonna do shit. He knows us. He probably kills us all in the universe. Maybe why. But that's not what he was saying. Look over there. That's us. Let's go and check the other groups. Zip. Oh. Hey, get away from you, nigga. Hey, you rather look at that faggot over there. Freezer. There are many monsters that I've seen this from the past. Look, Martian boob. Boob. That's the perfect occasion, man. What content will be woodlands? Huh? Who the fuck those guys? What did you see, Daddy? Fuck that. I had to look at the sound of that. Nothing. We have some sex after this, okay? And who those fags over there? Who's like no freezer. They can't turn into Super Saiyans. The other two groups. I feel this man behind. He's my grandfather. Mine must be there too. Go go. You're not gonna talk to them? You going to talk to them? Okay. Saiyans again. This look like I'm missing. We should recruit these. Man, if we wish, let's 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 get for you three wishes. Kill all the Saiyans, conquer all of them, and kill niggas. This will change. Wait, what? What the fuck? Kulu was in here. Movie heroes? The movies are canon? What? Now that we found the mechanism can grant wishes that letting themselves kill, we're not gonna miss that. All the universe will be ours. Hey, Dequel! Get the spectre! Who dares call for me like that? Excuse me? I'm looking at a guy among you? No, you dumb nigga. Your father. He's the father of Kakawato. Kakawato? You mean that Spanish guy over there? That never heard of him. Look, amigos. My name is Padako. My son Kakawato. He's dead. Whoa! I didn't know my family was Mexican. Huh. Anyways, wow, when I see your face, I can tell it's you. What? What? You assault me, boy? Hey, hey, calm down, old man. In my dimension, you're the Prince of Saiyans. So who is your father? I want to know what happened in your place, but my father, the previous game, is here. Your life's not far. Yeah, can I take a picture of you both? Dad, meet your father. I don't know. I hate Mexican though. I hate Mexicans. That's why I get Trump to build that wall. Yeah, but come on, please, Nail, should I go talk to them? Yeah, go do it. Okay. So twisted. Whoosh. Wait, is he actually saying whoosh? Hey. Hey, what does he think he's doing? Hello, man. Talk. You're a new group. A piece of advice. Be careful with these sands. And I will de-install entire planets. Don't worry for now. We don't have any space technology. But there's no Frieza in our world. Frieza, we heard of him. Well, we're traveling away from our planet to flee the capitalism. No worries. All his family that we see over here was killed by a guy named Kaioshin. Kaioshin? Yeah, those are guys who do the organizing. They did this. They allowed the tournament to happen. So you brats are the descendants of me in another universe? Yeah, but except Goten. What a shame, maybe true Saiyans. Oh please, we can transform into Super Saiyan and pimp smack you. Yeah, just give up. It seems to me very few universes contain the mechanism. That's because our people aren't very different from one place to another. That's a great wish. Universe 7. Hey, Universe 7, Dragon Ball Super, playing Universe 19, 7, because some Dragon Ball. In order to start free, the other mechanisms of this universe fuse into one. He defeated Frieza easily, then traveled in space to a lizard monster that was threatening the universe, and then Pink Demon. They're both they're both here and from other universes, by the way. I think he will win this turn. Well, let's go back to our space. Look, the chances of Space 19 already here. Are these mecha suits? Man, epic. Hey! Hey, hello. Zip. Look! Is that Universe Fighter of number 20? Someone inside an iceberg. It's like remains of Titanic. That's bully. What? That movie character? I thought everybody fucking hated him. Well, someone there's a fanboy who made this a fanboy who made this comic. We found him frozen in space. Which actually was like, he's not dead, so we put him here for the participation. Well, this is a stupid idea. He's such a monster here. I mean, he's super powerful, and yeah, yeah. A lot of dangers. Dangers? Just call me foes. Go on. I say you're smart. Okay, in fact. Um, look, yeah, boy, let's kill these Saiyans. We hate them. Boo! You eat them if we ever get in trouble. Okay! These niggas. I fucking hate them. Fucking movie villains? You take that from one universe? These are black people. These are white people. Just looking know everyone around here. No worries, most of them are really weak than us. All the challenges has arrived. When we select characters, when we select random people to fight. We reignite legendary encounters. Yo! First fight from the universe A13 is against Car God from universe 10. Let the fight begin. Punch block. Punch. I have thought all the people in my universe. That's not my concern. This Nappa is way stronger than the one we fought. Yeah, but also very different. Like quite old. This Nappa is strong too. He's a warrior. Point. Kick. Drop. Nappa, immune for 13 wins. That was pussy shit. Next fight, Universe Freezer from 8 versus Jace from Universe 8. Huh? We can fight even though we're from the same universe. Fighters are randomly chosen. I forget. It's useful information, yeah. Okay, next match. Son Goku for Universe 18 versus Mashi. I will call him Morshu for the memes. Here we go. Go, Dad. Like, yes, I'm not talking to a winning game. No tail. Anyways, you need some rope, lamp oil, bombs at the moment? No need to pay for useful strength. Maybe a tiny bit. He's in one. I'll use a bit of strength. Bunch. Fucking air blast. I don't want to buy you bombs. Oh, are you okay? I will go a bit easier. So, stronger. Son Goku from Universe 18 wins! Blah blah, what happened? Huh? You created an air pusher? Super duper powerful. The low lights, we can understand they're really, that they're, that they are really overpowered. What? Underpowered, you mean? I might be fucking stuff, but better. Shit. Weak. I forfeit. Me too. Bunch of niggas. Dead. Good job. Tack. Yeah, she was talking. So, you meet the pathetic version of those Saiyans? We are the Super Saiyans, and I am the future winner of this tournament. Disregarding your ridiculous codes, the closest you to us. Kakamoto, and if you, but I'm a Namekian, nigger. I guess you had a weird time finding Frieza on planet Namek, right? I think we diverged before that. Your Kakaroto wasn't sent to Earth when he was little, was he? I was, and I killed all of them. I saw them like animals. Then I wanted, then I wished for immortality in Grand Dynamic and killed defeated Frieza and became a Super Saiyan after that. Killed all the humans and become a Super Saiyan. Whoa. On Namek, we fought and destroyed Frieza. Killed. I discovered the secret of Super Saiyan. Yeah, what about you? We were bad. Funny. I killed you. I killed Nappa and the point of this scene is very disappointed by the fights. The funny thing will be Frieza. I'd love to kill him a second time. We have pleasure for many people here. At home, Frieza killed you, Vegeta. Well, yes, he killed Kulinin too, and almost killed Piccolo. But today, Piccolo can cuss him like nothing. Kulinin, that guy I spent like 10 minutes, like 15 minutes talking to, and that shit, and I have emotional reaction. Well, these were on Earth, huh? Well, I killed both of them anyway. You want to be shocked? You will be shocked. You are my father. And got anyways, chapter 3. We're gonna get introduced to Drug DBZ Multiverse most controversial character. Universe 10 was the one with the most competitors. But one just gave one just gave up. That's a lot. As soon a real powerful fight takes place. Well, we'll keep going anyway. Next up, number 17 from Universe 14 against Aikil from Universe 50. Huh? Alright. But it ain't born yet. Just give me a few more. Wait, but yes. Like by the time the boss fight, a few days have passed. Like 4 days, I think. So, further proof that this character won't do shit. Number. So, I forfeit. Number 17 rounds. Well, that was quite easy. Could have just postponed this fight. Now, this guy was an ass with me. I can't bear him. Next fight. South Kaioshin from Universe 1 against Buddha from Universe 18. And 8. I'm the fastest being in the universe. Yeah. Punch! The fastest, huh? In your universe, maybe. I'm dead. So Kyle shit from Universe 1 wins next fight. Margin Bull from Universe 11. Go, my Margin. Yes. Against Bujin. Universe 6. Ooh. Jump, kick, jump, punch. Ugh. Bitch, you talk without any warning. You'll pay for that. Power of the illusion. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Crazy. I can do that too. Psst. Huh? Yum, 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 yum. Punch. He's too fast. Very strong. I have to use energy bombs. Maximum power. Slice, 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 slice. Finishing. Slice, 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 slice. I want. Regenerate. You suck. Punch. Majumbo from Universe 11 wins. He lost. How lame. Bravo, my boo, you walked well. Are you the same Trunks who came to us from the future? Oh, so yes, we also fought Cell together and you destroyed him. You go in a very different way. We met again, but this time I am the elder. I feel like this whole story happened like 30 years ago, but it's a lot less for you, right? About 10 years. But by by the way, I have someone you like to meet. I found this guy. The ones of that Joe's laboratory. The guy, the guy that you Super Saiyan 2, even though that was the first time you ever met him. 16 is a big help in rebuilding my world. 16, he saved our world too, Yeah, whatever. I'm really happy to see you again. Trunks told me. We are both willing to do anything to protect nature. You're a challenger? Yes, I didn't want to at first, but there's several Son Goku I'd like to kill. Okay, I'll be good. Good luck. Jump. I saw an old friend from Trunks the future. No, against Zal. What are you saying? We talked to him an hour ago. What? Jesus Christ. Well, I'm in the wrong space. Why they wear the same clothes, guys? Wait. Like, what? You talking with you? They probably won't had some effect on them, their clothes. Like, come on, make them different. This is a stupid thing to do. Luckily, don't fight to get a lot, so I don't get immediately confused. I'm really sorry. It's nothing. I think. What are you doing here? You're identical to us in here. So weird that. So weird. Why did the virus chose two identical universes if they're identical? Hello. So did you? So did you? We all sing universe here. Subscribe, Joe Tanks. Yes, we did. Oh my grandfather! At last I met you. Oh, two pants. That's so cute. Kawaii. In universe, I'd be dead again. Clicking hour two. Two. Separate more. I appeared. Yeah. How did you beat Boo if you achieved in fuse? Also, anyways, it's really weird how besides me and my child and Una existing, we all look the same. Vegito? Oh, I see. Boo is trapped in this boy's body. How do you do that? Actually, look like tell the from Universe 19 versus from Universe 18. Careful, Todd B. My when it goes crazy when this this group. Use full strength from the beginning. Yeah. Let the fight begin! At last, I'll show a little of my power. Sensei, Vegeta-sama, look at me! And that's the only honestly racist bit I won't ever do since I shit like that. Don't you think you can scale some crazily genetic telekinetic powers? You're going to meet the secret weapons of nanotechnology. Is that nano shit or just mechanical shit? Whatever. Missile sensor. Is that a joke? Dodge, 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 dodge. Zip, push. Ugh. His arm weighs like a ton. Only missiles. His electronics have a better reflex than he has. Yeah. A very powerful and concentrated explosion of chemicals. Good thing I didn't let myself get touched. Bastard! God bless! Huh? Slash. Hee 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 hee. Expendable force to a nanometer dimension. It cut through anything. Oh! Titan was reduced to aces. Goob wins. Quick, can you fix this? You want careful or not? That's not what I'm asking. You don't have any sensu? No. Asin He will live at the end of the tournament. He killed Hildy! Fuck you! How can you young? Join us. No, you can't even do it. You can't even do it. It is your miserable will. We're not interested in your deceitful proposal. I ashamed my pals came from you. Do Bane like just keep bleeding then? Oh, I didn't tell you to heal him. Oh, take the luck. I did only to have to have somebody, or maybe because he had a little bit of blue in you. Or is it? Or is the fact that all of you exist as a result into me that makes me feel close to you? Even me, of course. Everything that exists and contains some power in my universe is now in you. Melting the rain, perfectly solid fixation. Nail from Universe 10 against Raccoon from Universe 8. Okay, well, that's enough from today.